Hello everyone. Now imagine coming across this question in your Jamb. How are you going to go about it? Believe me, it's extremely easy as you can see. But before I continue, I will encourage you to click on the plus sign to follow me if you are watching this on TikTok. Please share, like and comment. But if you go to my bio, you see the link that will take you straight up to my YouTube channel where you can subscribe, please. And you can click on the notification bell so you will receive our videos and you also be notified when the videos are released. The same thing. Whatever. Okay, let's continue. What does the question say? It says if D represents the density of a gas and K is a constant, the rate of gaseous diffusion R is related to D by the equation. So the question is, rate of gaseous diffusion of R is related to D by what equation? Like, which of this equation now is relating R to what? The square root of D. Is it square? Sorry, to the rate of diffusion. Now, okay, there's nothing to solve here, but I just want to point out something. Now, this when you see here rate of diffusion and you also see density, what comes to your mind? Graham's law of diffusion. What does it state? The rate of diffusion of a gas is what? Is inversely proportional to the square root of its molar mass or vapor density. Now I want to bring your mind to something. When you were in school, you were taught variation. You have joint, partial, am I right? Yeah, direct and inverse. But what I want to bring your mind to today is direct variation and inverse variation. When we say something is inverse, you are talking about something like this. Mathematically expressed is like this: say the rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to the square root of what? The vapor density. It will be 1 over something like this. But when I say it's directly proportional, it should just be equals to what? The square root of its vapor density. Now you can see the difference. This is inversely proportional, this is directly proportional. It will be equals to sign. Sorry, it will be first of all the inverse sign, directly proportional, but there's no 1 over. Now if I want to express this, I have something like this. I will introduce a constant. I have root D. Then I have R equals to K root D. Now going to the options, you can see that there's no even square root, so these two are out since they are not having square root. It does not explain Graham's law of diffusion. Looking at D, this is telling me that R is directly proportional to what? D, square root of D. It does not tell me about what? Graham's law of diffusion. But looking at A, I have R equals to K over root D, which is what? Inverse. This is an inverse relationship between rate of diffusion and the square root of vapor density. Now our answer is A. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.